Law Faculty for Business and Judicature in Novi Sad is one of the 4 faculties within the University Business Academy Novi Sad, founded in the year 2000. At the Law Faculty Novi Sad, undergraduate and master studies are organized in 2 study programs, General Legal and Business Legal, while doctoral studies are organized in Business Legal and Criminal Legal study areas. All study programs at all study levels have been accredited, as well as the faculty itself. In our so far work, the law faculty has achieved significant results in educating ambitious students who have soon after graduation started successful professional careers in judicature, courts of law, as prosecutors, lawyers, and legal solicitors in state organs and institutions, as well as in business. Successful integration of our students into future work and development processes within this field are the best proof that our law faculty gives students fundamental knowledge related to legal sciences and prepares our students with great success for the bar exam. Educational and pedagogical work with students has been based on theoretical and practical experience on a large number of our professors, as well as experts and scientists from most important areas of national, international, and European Union law. Our aim is to focus our efforts on developing students as individuals and create future intellectual elite, which will not only consist of experts but also strong personalities, capable of independently solving complex problems connected with business life, judicature and legal science in general. Courses at the Law Faculty for Business and Judicature in Novi Sad are interactive, interdisciplinary and multimedia, which enables an active and versatile approach to teaching through mentoring students and in close relationship between students and teachers, case study analysis, court process analysis with emphasis on individual student development, practical usage of theoretical knowledge and writing normative legal acts. Cooperation with businesses and international cooperation are an important part of our development. Therefore, we have established the Center for International Cooperation within the University Business Academy. The main aim of international cooperation is fulfillment of joint projects and student and staff exchanges. The primary reason why this center was established is intensifying international cooperation by signing as many cooperation agreements as possible and expanding our cooperation network. In the past period, we have established cooperation and signed a number of cooperation agreements with similar educational institutions from abroad, with a constant focus on further expanding our cooperation network. Providing practical classes to students is not a prestige, but rather a necessary part of the educational process. For this reason, the Law Faculty Novi Sad, besides internship in the High Court of Novi Sad, provides our students with permanent education, professional and scientific development, trainings and specialist courses which help our students improve their skills and competences needed for their present and future business orientation. Within the Center for Education and Specialist courses established in 2008 within the Law Faculty for Business and Judicature in Novi Sad, we organize the following courses which offer our students the possibility to acquire knowledge from some extremely interesting and contemporary areas: property rights and obligations between married and common law partners, security system of the Republic of Serbia, organized crime, human trafficking, ascertaining facts in criminal proceedings and litigation, legal and economic effects of criminal misuse of information technology, jurists in business world. Within the Center for European Integrations of the Law Faculty for Business and Judicature in Novi Sad, University Business Academy Novi Sad, which was founded in 2010, we organized the following course: Accession of Serbia to the European Union. Special attention has been given to practical issues and court practice, which represents an endless source of most diverse real-life situations. What is more, our courses gather a large number of guest lecturers who deal with this topic in their scientific work and practice. All attendees who successfully complete this course receive a certificate of completion in English and Serbian language. All students of Law Faculty for Business and Judicature in Novi Sad have a possibility to stay and live in a student hostel, which is actually a part of the building of the University Business Academy in Novi Sad. The tuition fee for undergraduate studies is 1,500 euros. The tuition fee for master studies is 2,000 euros. The amount includes the registration and defense of a master's thesis as well as printing the master's diploma. The tuition fee for the full 3-year course of doctoral studies is 10,000 euros. The amount includes the registration and defense of a doctoral thesis, as well as printing of the doctoral diploma. Tuition fees should be paid in dinars, calculated in accordance with the middle exchange rate value of the National Bank of Serbia, and can be paid in full or in installments. The tuition fee also includes the following: books and course materials, regular student registration, application for exams, issuing certificates of academic record and other necessary documents, sports and recreational activities such as football, basketball and gym. Because everything is accredited, quality study programs, a great variety of activities outside classes, competent and professional teaching staff, enjoyable relationship while working with professors and teaching assistants, working in small groups, pleasant staff and nice environment, great conditions for studying, contemporary literature, all-time access to computers, unlimited wireless internet, access to electronic database of bibliographic units, books, readers, monographs, scientific journals, master and doctoral theses, internship in court, interesting, educational and applicable courses, engagement of student parliament which organize the football tournament, faculty parties, as well as study trips and excursions. This may sound as a cliché, but I can honestly say that I like everything here.